Day. I am Maria Melinda Castillo, third year BSIT at Letran Calamba. My final SINSIA, Pharmacy Management System Integration Architecture. Architecture overview, business actors and processes, presentation layer, application logic layer, infrastructure integration, system integration. Let's proceed to overview. This diagram illustrates the system integration architecture of the pharmacy management system using a tiered approach that integrates tiered architecture, integrated components, scalable design. Business actors and processes. Pharmacies and cashier represents real-world users. Pharmacies, cashier, they initiate core processes like inventory management and sales processing. Business actors, employees, customers, and suppliers who participate in business operation. Inventory management, tracking and controlling stock levels to meet customers' demand. Sales processing, handling customer orders, invoicing, and revenue collection. Presentation layer, user interface. Interfaces allow actors to interact with the system, provide user-friendly UI, facilitate data exchange, support multiple access channels. Data flows into the application through forms, buttons, and dashboards. Intuitive user interface, responsive design, interactive dashboards, application logic layer. Controllers receive requests, invoke services, respond to clients. Models encapsulate business logic, connect the database layer, promote modular design. Web server and database server are the deployment environment, scalable infrastructure, secure integration, reliable deployment. Python runtime and Flask framework execute backend logic, leverage Python's capabilities, utilize Flask framework, integrate with other components. Data is stored and managed in MSQL access via SQL database service, centralized data storage, seamless integration, robust infrastructure. System integration. Arrows in the diagram show data flow integration between UI, controllers, models, and database. Visualize data flow. Arrows depict the interconnections and data exchange between the UI, controllers, models, and database. Illustrate integration points. Arrow highlight the integration touch points where data is transferred between the architectural layers. Convey system connectivity. Arrows demonstrate the seamless integration and communication across the system components. Modular architecture allows for independent development. External services like Flask, SQL services ensure modular and scalable design. Modular architecture, scalable design, and flexible integration. Here's my diagram. Take a look how the flow of my diagram. And thank you.